That's okay. They're gonna be like, who is that? Don't worry about it. Just worry about these packages I'm about to open. Hey everybody, it's Amanda coming to you with another live video. I want to just say happy Tuesday to everyone that's out there, and I have some great stuff for you guys. I have a webinar that's coming up this Saturday. Information will be in the comments below. You don't want to miss this. I'm doing something that I've never done before. So we'll be discussing that on Saturday's webinar. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Brenda. Hey, Michael. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Sharon. Hey, Chris. Good morning. And I'm going to be opening up. I got 21 envelopes in the mail, 21 envelopes, guys, 21 packages to open up. So I'm going to do some of them with you guys and just talk about what we are going to be discussing on Saturday's webinar. I'm extremely excited, and I hope you guys are as well. For those who are in, whether you're in direct mail marketing now or you're thinking about joining direct mail marketing, you do not want to miss this webinar, okay? It's very important. So right here, I have a package that came in from Adri. She upgraded, so I received your stamps in the mail. Adri, I received your stamps. Please send me a message when you can. This is for Adri. Thank you so much. So we're going to go ahead and start opening these up and talking about direct mail marketing. So I am going to be doing a large mailing next week. And what we're going to do is I'm going to be going through step by step of exactly what I mail, how I do my mailing, what's important, what's not. And then I'm going to be talking about some other things that people are missing that's really important when it comes to offline marketing. So we're going to be going over that when we have this webinar this Saturday. Okay, so please just make sure that you are a part of this hangout, this webinar. It's not going to be that long. I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but if you're thinking about coming into direct mail marketing or you are already a part of direct mail marketing, you do not want to miss this webinar. Okay, we have a payment that came in. There's no name, unfortunately. Oh, that sucks. Let's see, maybe I could look at it here. Okay, Jason, I received your information. He didn't fill out his form, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep these together. Jason, I received your sign up, and he came in at the lowest level, which is a payout of $65 and 1 book of stamps. So here's the cash and here's the stamps. Hey, April, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Charlie, thanks so much for tuning in. If you guys have any questions and I don't get to them, please inbox me. Any personal questions, please inbox me. Hey, T, thank you. Hey, Lakeisha, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Jamal, thanks so much for tuning in. I have another one that came in from Jack. Jack, I received your information. Please make sure that you send me your personal information for your cover letter. If I call your name and I received your payment, I will need the information for your cover letter. And also, please reach out to me about your website. Okay, so this is a pass up, someone that came in from a team member. I received a total of $50, 2 books of stamps. Jack, I received your information. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, that came in from Jack. Okay, then we have another one from no name. Let me open it up, see what we have. Okay, this came in from Marie. Marie, I have your mailing. Please make sure to send me your information, Marie. 1 book of stamps and a total of $65. Marie, I received your information, came wrapped up. Here's your stamps. Make sure to send me your information. I have one person that came in here, Nadia. Nadia, I got your stuff. Hey, Nicole. Hey, Kimberly. Hey, Corey. Everybody, if you can tell me where you're tuning in from, just tell me where you're tuning in from. And if this is a replay, please put in hashtag replay if you're watching this later on. So Nadia came in at the diamond level. That's an upgrade. Guys, when somebody comes in at the diamond level, it's $1,000. If they're upgrading, it's $700. So here is a total of $700 from Nadia. Okay, 2 books of stamps. I received your payment, and we're going to move on to the next person. We have Ronald. Ronald, I have your information. Please make sure to send me over your stuff for your cover letter and to find out about your customized, your dynamic website. Okay. So we have Ronald. Ronald came in at the Sapphire level. This is a pass up, someone that joined from a team member of mine. So I received $100 and 2 books of stamps. Okay. Ronald, thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, this came from Miss Valentine. Miss Valentine Sinette, I received your information and your payment. She came in at the Sapphire level. This is a pass up from a team member. I received $100, 2 books of stamps. So what does that tell you? People that are part of the team are duplicating, because these are not people that joined me directly. They joined someone else that's on my team, and I received the payment. Okay. Here we have from Tony. Tony, I received your information. Here is Tony's mailing. It came in this envelope. Okay, he sent it express. Didn't want to waste no time. Hey, Patrick. Hey, from Utah. Hey, Emma. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Ian. Hey, Lloyd. Thanks for tuning in. So we have Tony. Tony sent in. He came in at the Sapphire level. This was a pass up from a teammate. I received a total of $100 for that level. So thank you so much, Tony. Glad to have you a part of the team. All right, and then we have one from Lisa. Lisa, I received your information. Here it goes. She sent it to me in a priority mail. Let's see what we have. Hey, Brenda. Hey, Emma from Hawaii, all the way from Hawaii. Thanks so much for tuning in. So she sent a little, God bless, a little note. And she came in at the Sapphire level. Lisa, I have your information and your payment. She came in at the $300 level and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much for joining the team. Glad to have you here. Make sure to send me over the information for your cover letter and your website. Lloyd, I have your payment. Lloyd Craft, it's in my hand. I got it. Sent me a payment here. Came with 1 book of stamps. Let's see what we have. All righty. Lloyd sent in a total of $65. This is at the Ruby level. So I got your payment, Lloyd. You're all set to go. Then we have Miss Lamone. Lamone, I believe this is her upgrade. She upgraded to the Sapphire level, which is a one-time payment of $500. So I received her payment. Here's her payment. And she also included the payment for the book of stamps. So thank you so much, Lamone. I have your payment. You are all set. All right. And then we have here, let's see. Okay, we have Lynn. Lynn came in at the Emerald level. This was a pass up, someone that came in from someone that was a part of my team. And I received a $20 payment at that level. And 1 book of stamps is stuck in here. 1 book of stamps, guys. Hey, Beverly. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Tina. Hey, Cassie. Hey, Caesar. Thanks so much for tuning in. We have Adrian. Adrian, who sent in a payment. Came in this envelope. I have your payment. So please make sure you sign up for the webinar, guys, Saturday. The information is going to be in the comment section of this video. All you have to do is scroll to the comment. When you see my name, you will see the information for Saturday's webinar, okay? Saturday's webinar. Adrian, I received your payment. Here is her payment, $300 and 2 books of stamps from Adrian. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Good morning, Cassie. Then I have one from Caesar. Caesar came in at the ruby level. Caesar Williams, I have your payment. 65 bucks. Well, you sent me $90, probably for the book of stamps. Came in at the ruby level. I have your payment. Okay. You are all set. Glad to have you a part of the team. Here's another mailing, guys. Don't forget to sign up for the webinar. We're going to be going over some important information. I have a lot of people reaching out to me from other teams, and I just figured I would do this webinar so everyone is being helped, especially those who are not seeing the success that they're looking for. At least you can find out what you're doing wrong, and we can help fix that so you can start getting some commissions. So this person, Pamela, came in at the ruby level. That's a total of $150. Here's the money. 2 books of stamps. Pamela, glad to have you a part of the team. Make sure to send over your information so that I can do your cover letter. This came in from Kimberly. Kimberly, I received your payment. Kimberly came in at the sapphire level. Kimberly, I have your payment. Please make sure to reach out to me. Kimberly, 2 books of stamps and $300. Hey, Jeff, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Roosevelt. This came in from Jeff Cooper. Jeff, I received your information. Just opening up this package here. And what we have, Jeff, I received your payment. You say, hey, Mandy. People call me Mandy sometimes. Hey, Judy. Hey, Marie Jo. Thanks so much for tuning in. Roosevelt from Texas. Glad to have you here. All right, let's see what level this person came in at. The emerald level. This is Judith. Judith here. I received your payment. 1 book of stamps. Please make sure to send me your information so I can do your cover letter. And we have a payment from Jamie. Here's the envelope. I'm going to open this one up. Jamie. Jamie came in at the ruby level. This is a pass up from someone on my team. I received a total of $50 and 2 books of stamps. I received your information. Glad to have you a part of the team. And we have here, this payment came in from Kelly. Kelly, I received your info. Kelly came in at the ruby level, a payment of $50. Actually, this is the, no, this person came in, yep, at the ruby level, $50. This is a pass up from someone a part of my team. Glad to have you. And then last but not least is from Stephanie. Here's the information. Guys, you don't want to miss Saturday's webinar. I will have the information in the description. Please make sure you sign up for the webinar. Total of $65 and 1 book of stamps coming from Stephanie. So these are the signups I had so far for the week. Today's only Tuesday. This is a pickup from Monday. Okay, so this is what we have. I want to just say thank you and congratulations to everyone that joined the team. I'm glad you're with us. Please make sure that you join the webinar to make sure that you're not missing any important details when it comes to direct mail marketing. I will be sharing that information with everyone that made a decision to join this program. I just want to say thank you. I'm glad to have you here. Please make sure to reach out to me or your sponsor so that you are set up for success. And it's not like you're going into this blindsided. Okay. And I will see you guys Saturday. All right. Again, the information will be in the description below. Everyone enjoy the rest of your week. Thanks so much for tuning in. And if you want the link to get started or to check out the information about this program, please inbox me and I'll send it over to you. Have a great day.